This is my first S.H.Figuarts figure. Well, technically not the first because I got my wife the Freddie Mercury Live Aid edition and I got a couple of bootlegs. So let's check out this delinquent half-demon, which we all know and love. What's up, nerds? I'm back with another video, and today we are unboxing the S.H.F. Yusuke Urameshi figure from Yu Yu Hakusho. This is the front of the box. See here the sides. And here's the back of the box with product photos. Again, special thanks to Sir Wilson Chua of Wild Toy Nation. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, before opening this, calling this a favorite of mine would be an understatement because I have collected over the years soundtracks from the show. Here's Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, and I even have the symphonic collection. And this album is cover versions of the theme song, and some are sung by the cast members. Here's the soundtrack from the movie. Here's a complete vocal collection and a compilation double album and the best selection album. Okay, so when Yu Yu Hakusho first came out, it was, to say the least, a sleeper hit because most people were accustomed to Dragon Ball Z at the time, and Yu Yu Hakusho provided a fresh take on the shonen anime, and you can see its influences in other modern anime these days like Bleach or Jujutsu Kaisen. Here's the accessories. You have 4 additional faceplates for Yusuke, an additional hairpiece with his hair blown back down, 2 relaxed hands, 2 more gripping hands, and 1 hand for the ray gun, and another gripping hand, and 1 thumbs up charging ball for the ray gun. And here's the ray gun blast effect. It also has poo and a stand for the ray gun blast effect. Okay, let's get him out of the shell. So here's the full set of accessories included with Yusuke, and let's check out his articulation. Head movement. It's good. Nice tight joints, nothing loose. Nice shoulder. Got bicep swivel. Double jointed elbows. With a decent ab crunch. Can also move the tie on his belt. Got thigh swivel here. Double jointed knees. Nice movement for the ankles and toe joints. His shoulder pads are made of a softer plastic. I only wish they had added a bit of color for the shirt. Alright, so articulation is pretty good. Now, it also has a poo accessory. You can put it here. Let's try putting him in the classic ray gun pose. Popping the hands out and swapping them is a breeze. Okay, so this other hand is made for gripping his wrist, and he poses for the ray gun shot. Wow, this is so cool. Nice. Okay, let's try to swap out the faceplates for more expressions. Here's Yusuke with a smirk, with a slightly angry face. an angry open mouth face, and a funny annoyed face. I replaced the headpiece with a more relaxed brushed down hair. This is what it looks like. Now with the ray gun blast effect, you can put it on his finger like so. With the ray gun blast, there's a hole under here you can put on this stand. Now there's the small ball peg to allow movement. However, there is a downside here because there are ridges here in the blast that would hinder more movement. So it's very limited. But it's still a good effect. Now Yusuke has had some different looks over the span of the anime. Like from his student uniform look to the more casual look. But this, I would say, is the most definitive look of Yusuke, especially from the Dark Tournament chapter. Now overall, this is a pretty solid figure. Nice build, nice articulation, and you get a nice set of accessories. So for articulation, I give this a 9 out of 10. For the look, I give this also a 9 out of 10. I just wish that they had thickened the eyebrows a bit on the faceplates, because that would be more accurate to the anime. So where were we? So articulation 9, look a 9, value for money, I'd give this a 10 out of 10, and then overall a 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe. And as always, never stop playing. See you, nerds!